Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this ombre look step by step, so let's get into it. I'm starting this look by using this beautiful purple color on a medium-sized pencil brush. As I always say, the very first thing you do is deposit the color. Blending your eyeshadow is secondary. The very first important step is to pack on color as much as you desire on the outer corner, and then we start to shape it. With the same brush, I'm going to start pushing the color up to my crease in baby steps with minimal pressure. Do this in small circular motions so you have control over the shape. This time, since we are going for a more structured look, you want to have control over your brush. Continuing with the same brush and still using the same pigment that's on your eyes, you start to form a soft V. Next, I'm taking this medium-sized fluffy brush. It has no eyeshadow on it, and I'm just blending the absolute outside edges into my foundation to have an even more seamless blend. Again, little to no pressure is being used, and this prevents those harsh lines from your complexion into your eyeshadow and gives you such a professional look. Okay, so first placement is secure. Now it's time to darken the shadow. I'm using this beautiful navy color on a tiny blending brush and basically doing the same thing that we did before. This step is what basically gives depth to your ombre look. Now notice I'm doing the same steps, but I'm still staying within the purple color that we placed so that when we blend these two colors together, you still have that purple behind. And that is what you call eyeshadow transition. Next, I'm going to take this lighter shade of purple and I'm going to place it right next to the dark color, and then I'm going to blend both the colors in small swiping motions. Again, I'm taking the clean brush and I'm blending the edges. This prevents any extra pigment to be blended into your crease. I really wanted to use a yellow, but you can see how bad the shimmer was here. And I tried it once again with another shade and it turned out to be the same thing. So I switched palettes and I used another beautiful gold tone color. Once again, I'm taking the purple color and then blending it into the shimmer. So again, we have seamless lines. And this is the result of putting in so much effort and time into blending. I'm adding this lime green color on the inner corner to add a little pop of color. Next, I'm using a black shadow on the shader brush to create a liner look. This way, when you apply your lashes on top, it does not look disconnected. I'm doing a half liner on the bottom lashes to continue the ombre look. Blending the gel liner with a purple on a pencil brush. I applied my lashes off camera. If you'd like to see, you can watch it up here. And here is the complete look. All that effort into blending your eyeshadow with so much control and precision will always give you the most professional, clean look. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!